So I'm going to do I do a lot of shoots, especially in my wedding business where it's two cameras. So I'm going to show you how I create a Spark collection, and then I'm going to do a multi-camera edit. So the first thing I do is when I import the folders, I wanted to show you how it looks on my hard drive, and engagement story, my camera, then my colleague Rob's, and then I have audio. I have those three folders, and then when I import them, just to show you, I'm not going to import them again, but I go import, and then whenever I import, I make sure that I import them as I'm not going to do it, but I make sure that I import them as keyword collection, so those folders come in as keywords. Then I go through, and another thing that Rob always does whenever we do a shoot, we always say the audio file. So we say audio file 215. So when I click on audio, I know that it's 215, and that's Jennifer 215. And then I'll put the groom, his name is Theodore, I'll put that as well. All right, so what I'm going to do, create a smart collection. I'm going to say Jennifer. Okay, so everything that says Jennifer, let's just put 215 in here. That's just easier. That's 0215. Anything with 215, I'm going to click here, and then 215, Smart Collection. I'm going to say Jennifer, shot 1. And that just helps me organize those three clips, because instead of going through all of these up here and trying to, click on each one of these, I just go to that one smart collection. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all three of those clips, right click, new multicam clip, and I'm going to say Jennifer shot 1, use audio for synchronization, automatic, and then I'm going to hit OK. So synchronize angles real quick, real time. And now, if you see right here, I want to put Jennifer shot 1, and then I'm going to put 215. And once I do 215, watch what happens. It goes in my smart collection automatically. So that's a real good reason to use smart collections. Not only because they're good, it's just a good resource to use. So let's open up the multi clip show angle viewer, and let's click right here. Let's move that over. So, all right, so the first thing we're going to do, this is our audio, and we're going to just move this over. And this is our audio. So we want to make sure we click audio first, green. Then we're going to click away. Actually, let's do that, green, and then we're going to click video. And this is our primary angle right there. All right, so green audio, we want to use that audio. Then I want to click my primary video. So we're just going to just put this all on the timeline, and then we're going to cut this real quick, and we will see how it works out. Audio file 215.
Audio file 215.
All right, Jennifer, just before I get an audio test, just spell your name for me.
Jennifer.
All right, so audio sounds good. I'm just going to make this a little larger. So I'm going to go between this. I can hit keyboard. This is camera 1, this is camera 2, camera 3. Even though this is not a camera, the audio is acting like a camera. So to switch between these two, I would just go between 2 and 3. So I'm going to do that real quick. So.
Okay, that's Alexander.
Alex.
She's laughing because I'm asking how to spell her last name. People always do that. But hey, it's audio test. It's a good habit to have. I know that people hate doing that, but even though Smith is an easy name and Alexander's an easy name, it's a good practice to have.
Your background, you grew up in New York, but for people who don't know you, tell me about that.
Yeah, native New Yorker, grew up in Brooklyn. Went to an all-girls Catholic high school. I went to college in Jacksonville, Florida, and kind of ended up in this area. I have an 11-year-old daughter who is the light of my life. So we're all here. Her father's side of the family is here as well. So we've been here. I work for the Smithsonian Institution. I'm the HR business partner for the business arm of the institution, Smithsonian Enterprises. So I've been in HR for about 12 years. So that's what I do. And then there's Outfitry. which has been my church home for the last 3.5 years.
Okay, so I'm just going to stop it right there. But I would go through just hitting the keyboard shortcuts 2 and 3 as I listen to it. Now remember, this is a multicam edit, and this is my process. I can always go through and fix this. And if I have an error here, I can always go back and replace it. I can open active angle. Active audio angle. It shows you here. If I needed to switch to active video angle, I can switch it to angle 2 real quick. So see how I can switch that. If I made a mistake on the cut, I can just click on that and then active video angle. I can say angle 2. So we can always go back.
To college in Jacksonville, Florida, and kind of ended up.
Okay, so I can go back.
Ended up in this area.
You can always go back and fix it. To me, Final Cut Pro 10 is one of the easiest programs to do multi-camera editing. You see how quickly I just did this, and easily I can go back and forth. I can color correct the thing after I cut the angles, but you see you can have up to 64 angles with Final Cut Pro 10. I usually just do a 2-camera shoot with all of my stuff. Call out the audio. This audio sounds great as a boom Rode mic. So I just wanted to show you Smart Collections, my process for multicam editing. Take care.